Today, I'll show you how to change your Zoho mail password. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can update your password quickly and safely. First, open your web browser and go to mail.zoho.com. This is the main sign-in page for Zoho Mail. Go ahead and log in with your existing credentials if you aren't already signed in. Make sure you're on the official Zoho website before you enter any login details, just to stay secure. Once you're in your inbox, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. It might show your initials, a small avatar, or an image you've uploaded. Click on that profile area. This is where Zoho keeps your basic account options and where you can access more advanced settings. After clicking your profile, a small menu will open. In that menu, look for the option labeled My Account. This is the central place for managing everything related to your Zoho account, not just mail. Click on My Account and it will open a new page or tab with your account settings. On the account settings page, you'll see several sections or tabs that organize different kinds of settings, such as personal information, security, and connected services. Here, you want to focus on the security side of things. Look for the section or tab labeled Security and click on it. This is where Zoho groups all the options related to protecting your account, including passwords and sign-in methods. Once you're in the security section, find the area that mentions your password. Depending on how your account was created, especially if you originally signed up using a Google account, you may see an option that says something like set up password or a similar phrase instead of change password. If it says set up password, click that. This simply means you're going to create or manage a dedicated Zoho password, even if you usually sign in through Google. When you click to set up or change your password, Zoho may first ask you to verify that it's really you. This might include entering your current password, confirming your Google sign-in, or completing another quick security step. Follow whatever prompt appears on the screen. After verification, you'll arrive at the page where you can change your password. Here, you'll typically be asked to enter your current password, then type your new password, and then confirm it by typing it again. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before on this account. A good password is usually longer, combines letters, numbers, and symbols, and doesn't include easily guessed information like your name or simple sequences. Once you've entered and confirmed the new password, click the button to save or update your password. Wait a moment for Zoho to process the change. When it's done, your new password will be active and you may be signed out on other devices, which is normal for security reasons. That's all you need to do to change your Zoho Mail password. You've gone from your inbox into your profile, opened your account settings, navigated to security, and updated your password in a secure way.